everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is gonna be another product reviews slash collaboration in partnering with the Gift Bags Factory. So I'm gonna put their links in my description box as well as their YouTube channel. In their YouTube channel, you can see how they make the gift boxes for the chocolates, for the jewelries, and everything you want to use as a gift. So they have a different sizes of boxes. You can go check, and those gift boxes are good for the birthday, all occasion. So they sent me the whole package, the whole set of the jewelry. This stainless steel, okay, but I don't know. I was supposed to get the boxes, but I don't know what happened. What I got is the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings. First, let me put the earrings. Okay, I super love this kind of, this is stainless steel. I know I already said it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it's so nice. So I'm gonna put it. That's the reason why I don't have any jewelry, any earrings or necklace, because I want to try this and show it to you. Okay, I love this one. So you can do the food packaging, clothing packaging, beauty bags, electronic jewelry, the gift boxes as well. Okay, so just check their website for your reference. Oh my god, I love this. And then I'm gonna go ahead with their necklace. You can do shorter, longer. Let's see. I have the real one of this one in white, black, and red. Oh, this is cool. Look, this black, and then at the back there's white. So it's 2 in 1. Whatever your mood is, you can go ahead and choose which color you want. So for me, I like black. And of course, since I'm April, I I'm gonna choose white as well. Oh my god, so this is 16, and now I'm gonna try there. I'm sorry for my background right there, because I'm here downstairs and it's snowing outside. Yeah, that's why it's kind of dark. Okay, so I super love the bracelet. So this is how it looks like. Okay, come on, show. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead. I don't have any bracelet on my right side. It's like this. It's hard to put it for myself. I'm gonna ask my sister later, but this one, I think it's size 17. It's so pretty. I love this. For sure, I'm gonna use this all the time. So guys, this is the earrings and the necklace and the bracelet, which is, I'm holding it right now because I can't put it in by myself. So yeah, it's super nice. I hope guys that you can go check their website, because they're so nice. Like all the boxes, especially the jewelry boxes, it's so pretty. Don't forget to check their website and also their YouTube channel. You can see there how they make their boxes, how they make their how they prepare the boxes. I like the necklace, I like my earrings, and the bracelet, which is I cannot put it by myself, but I super love it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Bye. Mwah.